In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily download a Pinterest video using Google. This method is straightforward and doesn't require any specialized software, so anyone can follow along. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser, and we're going to head over to Google. It's a place we're all familiar with, and today it's going to help us streamline our mission to download a Pinterest video. Once you're at Google's homepage, you're going to utilize that powerful search bar. Here, simply type in Pinterest Video Downloader. This will help us find the tools we need to get that Pinterest video onto your device. Now, after you've entered your search and hit enter, you're going to see a list of options. These are websites and online tools specifically designed for downloading videos from Pinterest. Choose one that looks reputable to you. Generally, the downloaders that appear at the top of the search results are more reliable, but make sure it's a site you feel comfortable using. Click on it, and the site will open in a new tab. Within this downloader site, you should find a designated place to paste a link. At this point, you need the specific URL of the Pinterest video you're interested in downloading. Head over to Pinterest, find your video, and copy the link. This link is usually at the top of your browser's window in the address bar. Make sure you have copied it correctly to avoid any issues later on. Now return to the video downloader site. Here, paste the Pinterest video link into the designated area. Most sites clearly mark this area with a label like Enter Pinterest URL here to guide you. When you've pasted the link, look for a download button or an option to proceed. Click it, and the website will begin to process your request. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the processing is complete, the site will typically give you a few options for downloading. These could include different video qualities or file formats. Choose the one that best suits your needs. If you're not sure, a good rule of thumb is to choose a standard format, something like MP4, as it's widely compatible with many devices. With your options set, go ahead and click on the download button. Depending on the speed of your internet connection, the download might take a little time. Once it's complete, you'll find the video in your downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files by default. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a Pinterest video using Google. This simple method avoids the fuss of downloading and installing additional software. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to share it with others who might find it useful, and don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with more easy how-to guides.